everybody, it's Fred the Frisco 1522, and it, and um and I'm dressed as my friend for a little bit. So, anyways, I never the Russian accent. We're on the West Agape Tourist Railroad. No. We're on the West Curtis Railroad. You know, the tourist railroad that's somewhere near Cupford, Georgia. I actually went there once for a vacation. Anyways, let's go. You know, it takes a little bit for the trains to start up. And also this line had an expansion. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, right. I hate how long it takes for these trains to start up. It takes like about 5 seconds for this to start. Just hold your anger in, Fred. It's nothing to be mad about. It's just one switch. Hey, one switch can't do any harm. There. Number 19. A nice engine. Where did this come from? I thought this was going to be back in service on July 4th. This is alarmingly early. Spawn number 12. So, there we go. Over the hills we go. Why is it going so goddamn slow? There we go. Look at the nice sun. There's an expansion of the line, and it goes all the way to it goes up like double the length that this line was before. You know, like on April 30th, the gameplay video, part 1 and 2 was posted on the same night. And it's 7 o'clock. And I was given 30 minutes on this iPad, so I only got 30 minutes. Wait, I started playing at 6:30 and now it's 7 o'clock. So I have 30 minutes left. We only have 30 minutes to get to the end of the line. Remember, these stations have no names. I don't know why. Why would you make a railroad without the name? Look, you're so dumb. So just hopping on the trees, cause my train is slow. Hopping on the trees. This is like watching Trump trying to fix global warming. Even though he didn't. Did he or did he not? Look at the nice trees. Look at the nice wilderness. Amazing wilderness. So there was 4 stations on this line. See the expansion? Expandable. Yeah, I'm going to call this the Expandable update. Expandable. Blocks Island number 19. Guess what? We're coming by a station, and we're not going to stop. Huh? Oh no! Please don't derail. Please. And also my sister is here. So just letting you know. Credit to Farquhar for making a good shed. I don't remember this. Huh? Oh, it must be from the update. No, we aren't stopping. Nice. Cool. Nice. And Leroy also decided that he's going to quit making games. So too bad for that. And he didn't even halfway finish Sherman Hill yet. Imagine quitting being a developer and not even finishing your game halfway. People would hate you for all eternity if you did that. Good thing I'm not the developer. Leroy is. Leroy made our K&N game. Leroy is what made the K&N more popular. You know, it used to be a Word Scale Sandbox, but then we changed that. It's 7:05. It's 7:05, and I'm feeling good. Why is it slowing down? Why is it slowing down? So this is a lag. A 462. 462. I'm surprised that this game doesn't have too much megabytes for my iPad to handle. Yeah, because look at the game, the quality of this. Look at the quality. And it's not even too much megabytes for my iPad to handle. Wait, what iPad did I get for my birthday? Did I get one of those high-end ones? I probably did if my iPad can support this. What? Let me in. So we're passing by another farm. Come on, why are you going so slow? I think I gotta do this again. Peanut built 462 Steam logo. Huh? So, but this is Lux Island, and why does it have? But doesn't it have a number? Wow. Anyways, I'm going to see you when we get to the station. Okay. Yeah, it's rolling. So we're waiting for this train to actually reach the station. So what happened here? It looks so smooth looking instead of that big chunk of terrain we were at last time. There's houses for detail. Years later. Oh my god. Oh, and did you see that video of us senior dog sitting? The video was called Mrs. Half Evaporated Lungs because her bark was like because you know she's old and she can't bark that loud. So she just sounds like she only has half of her lungs. Ah! Work. Okay, it's going a little faster. And now we're finally at the station. Now we're at the station. And it only took us about 10 minutes to get from there to there. Wait, how long has this been rolling? Yeah, because I can't make videos more than 16 minutes long, or I'll have to fill out this application. Yeah, it says, if your video is more than 60 minutes long, then you're gonna have to put in your email and phone number. And I ain't doing that. I don't trust YouTube enough. There, now it's going at a decent speed. Ooh, what's this? This is like something you would see out of Strasbourg. It's like something out of Strasbourg or something. In fact, this entire layout is based off of Strasbourg. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go through the grass. Oh, it actually went through it. Because you know my train's the best, and it can get through anything except these cars. So there's a noob in this one, and a old Russian car in another. Oh, oh, oh! It's going crazy. What about this one? Does this have any weird things that it will do? Yeah. Let's go back to this old car. It looks like it can be from the late 40s, early 50s. Wow. Why is that the most satisfying crash of a car I've ever seen? I just kicked it and it went like that. And this is a mesh. You know what a mesh is? Whoa! It's gonna land in the water. Yep, it landed in the water. Now you get to stay here until I turn off the game. Whoa! Is the train even halfway through that grass yet? I'm going to see when this train even gets close to the crossing. Relatively close. Trolling. Anyways. It's funny how slow it's going. Yeah, I would take a screenshot if I knew how to. Like I forgot how to on my iPad. This game doesn't have a day and night cycle. Yeah. Both the 40s car and this Jeep with a noob in it is rigged. Like it won't even stay in one piece, and the old car won't even stay still. What's this? Just hate this. Stop! It takes like 10 seconds to even get a turn of the wheels. Yeah, I'm going to see it when we get through that cut. Trolling. Okay, so we sped up finally. I wish we were able to when we were passing through what looks like Paradise Lane, you know, from Strasbourg. We had to leave the last car behind. I think that's what was weighing us down. So this train can't haul more than 4 cars at a time. Wow. You're weak. Wait, I remember something. So you know how the Roblox Train cartoon was in September 2019 with Davion coming on? Davion coming on to the show? This was the same. This looks close to him, at least. Yeah, so first he was played with a consolidation, then a Mikado, and yeah, that was it. He was played with a consolidation and a Mikado. We're just going to walk to the other end of the line because it's stuck.